Today we're going to talk about verbs that end with gar, car, and zar in the preterite tense. First, it's important to know that some letters sound differently according to the vowel that follows that letter in Spanish. Everything in Spanish is phonetic, which means that it's spelled the way that it sounds, and it sounds the way that it's spelled. And that means sometimes they might change the spelling of a word in order to make it be spelled the way that it sounds. Let's talk about the letters G, hey, and C, say, and how they change according to the letter that comes after them. The letter hey, when followed by a, says ga. This is go, this is gu. So you can tell by using familiar words that you know that have these letters as a combination. For example, gato, gordo, guapo. When followed by a and e, the letter he has a softer sound. It sounds like h. So he as in gente and he as in gimnasio. The same thing happens with the letter se. We have ca as in carro, co as in comer, cu as in cuidar, se as in centro, and si as in ciudad. You can see that we have g followed by a, o, u, and we have he followed by a, or sorry, h followed by a and e. So the harder sounds are on the left and the softer sounds are followed by the vowels on the right. This matters when we're talking about verbs that end with gar, car, or zar in the preterite tense. This happens only in the yo form because all the other letters, you will notice, a and o, keep that g sound. But the yo ending is a, so we have to make it jugué. We're going to add a u to the g before we add our ending. So in the yo form only, gar verbs, the G changes to GU before you add your ending, A. So you get jugué, jugaste, jugó, jugamos, jugastes, jugaron. Can you think of any other words that end with gar? We also have this spelling change for phonetic reasons with verbs that end with CAR. The C is going to change to QU to keep that k sound in the yo form. So you get sake, but then all the other forms stay just like they're spelled. We have sacaste, sacó, sacamos, sacastes, and sacaron. Do you know any other car verbs? We also have this happen with zar verbs, verbs that end with zar. The z changes to c in the yo form only. We have almorcé, almorzaste, almorzó, almorzamos, almorzasteis, almorzaron. Gracias.